Hey everybody, it is Friday night time again for Friday night restaurant reviews. And we're going to kind of give ourselves a pass the next few weeks. We're going to go back and enjoy some places that we genuinely enjoyed eating of our 120 plus restaurant reviews. One of them that we always seem to enjoy is Willie Bird's restaurant. Turkey served all day and always, and it's a family operation. It has had an enormous turkey raising operation for decades. Well, they opened this restaurant many years ago as a kind of a nice outlet to get the retail side, a little bit of vertical integration there, to be able to push their turkeys more into the retail marketplace. So they always give you a good feed, huh, Missy Jenn? They give you an appetizer plate and salad and turkey. It's really old school style of restaurating, a la the 40s, 50s, and 60s. So we'll see you over there, guys. Willie Bird's restaurant. The place has been open for quite a while, Jen. A lot of years. You got the cocktail lounge, which is kind of cool. Yeah, looks like it was established, what, 1980? Yeah, that's a pretty good long time. 38 years? That's a long time. There you go. Inside of Willie Bird's. Plenty of happy people munching on turkey, huh?
They got prime rib Fridays and Saturday nights.
Prime rib, there you go. I came for the turkey. Turkey always and turkey always. Give you guys a look at the menu. I don't think we've ever had an appetizer. They include so much with dinner. Dinner includes hors d'oeuvres, soup and salad, bread and butter, fresh oven roasted turkey, dressing, mashed potatoes. Yeah, it's good. It is good. And Jen said, like on Friday night, they have the Friday and Saturday night they have the prime rib.
Prime rib dinner, yeah.
All right, there you go.
Just for in case you're not quite into the turkey.
Just for in case you're not into it. That's right.
That's right.
Don't be hating on me now, right, Missy Jenn? This is the first beer I've had in like 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks of no beer. Tonight I shall have a beer. Huh?
I can witness that, yeah.
Tonight I shall have a beer, and we always have a good time at Willie Bird's, don't we? Always good, always a good feed. Get out the door in like $50, you're good to go. It's good quality feed. Okay?
We get a booth. That'd be all right.
As Jackie Gleason used to say on the Honeymooners, whoa. Whoa. Good stuff. Well, I'm going to have the standard turkey dinner. I always get surprised by what Missy Jenn's going to order, but I came for the turkey, and turkey it's going to be. I'd like to just get the standard turkey dinner, please.
Okay, that comes in soup and salad.
Everything, yeah. Thousand Island dressing, please.
And then clam chowder or chicken rice.
Let me get the turkey rice, please?
Turkey.
Might as well go all in on the turkey. Huh?
Yeah, you can't go wrong. I mean, if our turkey's not good, we should just close the door.
Just close
Right?
the door, that's right.
Well, I have a turkey fried steak.
Okay. And you want the clam chowder or the turkey rice? And what kind of dressing on your salad?
Parsley.
Okay. And you want some bread?
Yeah, great. Thank you. That's real old school, Missy Jenn. They give you some really nice bread, and then they give you, this always impressed Bobby, the individually wrapped pats of real butter. You don't really see that too much in the restaurants anymore.
It's like in a hospital. You get the individual wrapped butter.
Yeah, I'm just saying it's real nice, you know?
Yeah,
Really nice.
I like it.
There's the turkey soup. Are you ready? And there's also the delicious plate they give you of cold cuts and peppers. Really a very nice touch. Let's give this turkey soup a try. But intensely flavored, very tasty. And Missy Jenn, I knew that she was going to get the clam chowder.
Yeah, I always do.
That's really good turkey noodle soup. Lots of good bits in there. Tons of turkey. And an incredibly tasty flavor. It's got the rice and everything in it. That's a winner. Jen, you're gonna try that. You're gonna try that clam chowder. Huh? Pretty righteous looking. Oh, yeah. Good.
It's very nice. Very flavorful.
Got some clam bits in there.
It's got some really nice chunks of potato in it.
Got some real clam bits, huh?
Very delicious, yeah.
All right, enjoy. Time for salad. Nice and fresh. Got garbanzo beans on it. Got some tomato. Got some carrot. Missy Jenn doesn't eat these hot peppers. Those things are the bomb. You don't like the black olive either, huh? Lucky me. It's nice they give you that little antipasto there. Very nice. Rosie, for God's sakes, chew with your mouth closed. Nice to have a salad that's got a little bit of oomph to it. Nice beets.
I had to fried steak.
You got the wrong things, yeah.
Turkey fried steak?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
And then the turkey.
There we go.
Sorry, my bad.
That's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Anything else I can get for you?
Looks good, thank you.
All right, fabulous. Enjoy.
All right, right, Missy Jenn, you ready to give that a shot? Go ahead. You got the fried turkey steak, huh?
Fried turkey steak with their homemade gravy.
It's about 6,000 calories on there.
Yeah, I'm gonna be doing 7,000.
Go ahead and don't keep everybody in suspense. Go try a bite of that. Woo. Like a nice big turkey cutlet there, huh? Hey, don't hold back on that gravy. Is it okay? Good. All right, good deal. You got your mixed vegetables, broccoli,
very good.
mashed potatoes. Why don't you try your taters? See how they taste. And see how they measure up. All right.
It's a homemade from original fields potatoes here.
Not from a box.
Not from the box.
All right, good. Good. Ready for some turkey? Don't forget those cranberries. I'm like a 5-year-old kid. You know, I've got to have my cranberries.
And then, what kind of potato do you want? With cheese and bacon?
Just like a good standard turkey. Let me try this stuffing a little bit.
No, I can't.
Nice and hot. Try a little bit of mashed potatoes. I'm happy. Let's eat.
No, they just have
All right. What do you think, Missy Jenn? There was no way I could finish mine. No way. I couldn't finish the mashed potatoes or the stuffing, so pretty darn good though. I have a lot to say about a place that specializes in doing something very well. Just finish the coffee here, wait for our check, wrap that up, and then we'll celebrate another good outing at Willie Bird's restaurant. Turkey always and turkey always. All right, here is the tail of the tape. $2.75 for the coffee, Coors Light. On charge for one coffee was nice. Turkey dinner, fried steak dinner, good. $53.67. So we'll see you guys outside. Another good feed at Willie Bird's restaurant. We got some really cool rooms here.
Can I be on TV? He said he
Yeah, you're on TV. All right, cuz, we're out of here. Here in Willie Bird. It's like I told the guy, you can take your hand off he was putting his hand up my skirt. You can get my hand out of my skirt at any time, right? He wants to buy his drinks and everything. All right, guys, well, Willie Birds, you never know what you're going to get when you go to Willie Birds for turkey, but I can tell you one thing, you're going to get something great. turkey to eat is fantastic. One of the beautiful things about a restaurant that specializes in doing one thing is they can usually take that up to a very, very high standard of performance. And Willie Bird's does that with their turkey. There's a big difference between pressed turkey, like reformed turkey and crap that you get in a lot of places. This is the real deal, sliced right off the bone and absolutely delicious. For me, the fact that they give you that family style, they give you the bread, really nice bread with the individual little wrapped butters. They give you, what else, Missy Jenn, the antipasto plate with the salamis and the peppers and the olives and the carrot. And they give you the turkey soup and the clam soup, clam chowder. Then your main event comes. No, you get your salad. You get his salad too. So it's really quite an ordeal. It's quite an eating experience. I doubt if you'll be able to finish it, but really, really good. Good coffee, good service, good people. Many years they've got it down to an art form. So for me, it's a 9.5 experience. Willie Bird's restaurant. Missy Jenn, what do you think?
I say it's a 9.5 as well, because they once again hit it out of the park. Woo! All I can say is gobble, gobble, gobble.
Now you had the turkey fried steak. What did you think about that?
It was great.
It was a lot of it. It was a lot. They give you a lot.
I wasn't able to finish it, so I left the spuds.
Another thing I have to say is service was really good because it's seamless. There's a busboy he's been here for a long time. He's on the job. He understands the flow of waitresses and stuff, and he covers for them. When he noticed that our food wasn't out, he went over and grabbed our food and brought it over himself. He got it screwed up as to whose was whose, but he's in there pitching, he's clearing plates. You didn't have to tell this guy what to do. He did a great job. Anyway, how many stars? What was your rating tonight, Missy Jenn?
9.5.
All right, so we got 9.5, 9.5, Willie Bird's in Santa Rosa. Watch out for the guy at the bar that wants to put his hand up your skirt. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thumbs up or appreciate it. And we already saw our tough guy tonight. It's a nice RV there. Very nice. All right, let's wave on. Nice RV. All right, tough guy.